Professional Learning Units Phase-In Initial 3-Year Certificate. This table lays out how the phase-in for PLUs will occur for educators holding an initial certificate. The left column is the year the certificate expires and educators must renew their certificate. The middle column is the formula used to calculate the required number of PLUs for renewal. The right column is the total number of units that will be required in order to renew the initial 3-year certificate or progress to the 5-year professional certificate. For example, an educator seeking renewal of an initial 3-year certificate or progression to the 5-year professional of their initial certificate in 2022 will be required to have completed 75 PLUs. Renewal of initial 3-year certificates. This table outlines the renewal and progression requirements for educators who hold 3-year initial certificates. In Scenario 1, educators who are not employed or who are employed in a non-public setting are not required to submit evidence of PLUs to renew and will renew as a 3-year initial certificate. In Scenario 2, educators who are employed fewer than 3 years in a Rhode Island public school are not required to submit PLUs to renew and will renew as a 3-year initial certificate. In Scenario 3, educators employed in a Rhode Island public school for less than 3 years due to a leave of absence will complete a prorated number of PLUs. They must provide a letter verifying their leave status, and they will progress to a 5-year professional certificate. In the last scenario, educators who are employed all 3 years of their renewal cycle will be required to provide evidence of PLUs and will progress to a 5-year professional certificate.